and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you guys are in good health. So I want to wish you all a happy New Year's. This is actually like the first video, our first video of the new year. So I'm so excited to share so much new content with you all. I had to take a little bit of a break because things just was getting too crazy around here. So I really needed to just take a little break to kind of relax and rewind and everything. So if you guys don't know, most of you are pretty new to my channel. So I do work full time. I do YouTube as a hobby. I'm not an interior designer. I do have a full-time job. I am a respiratory therapist by profession. So you all know what's going on in the world right now with this pandemic. So it's just, the hospitals are slammed. So I just had to take a little bit of break from YouTube just to kind of rethink and recuperate. And then also we're doing little projects around the house. So right now my home is a mess because my husband is putting in the floors in our kitchen. So we have things are just everywhere. But nonetheless, I wish you all a happy New Year's, and I hope 2021 brings us much love and joy and peace. So, with that being said, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I share home decor inspiration with you all, as well as DIYs, organization, as well as some cleaning videos. So if you love that content, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I just want to get in here and kind of redecorate, give it a little bit of a refresh. So we did make everything in here is pretty much the same compared to, if you see any of my other laundry room videos, most of everything is in here. It's the same, except for we did end up changing out our floors in here. You hear noise in the background. My husband is out there installing the floors in our kitchen, so you'll hear a little bit of bang and a little bit of noise, but I do apologize in advance. Okay, you guys, so the first step in this laundry room refresh was removing those old floors. So as you can see in the corner, that is what the floor looked like before my husband started ripping it out. It's just some ceramic tile that was builder grade that came with the house. So we end up just trying to work our way through the home, trying to replace this old tile and replace it with the wood look tile that we have throughout the main living areas. So as you can see here, he already removed a large portion of the tile, and then this is him just inserting a clip of him putting in the floors. And then we did make some other changes in here. We had that bead board on the wall. We've since removed that, and you will see later on in this video what I add to the space to kind of give it a nice designer look. And then we also end up painting our back door as well. Okay, so this is the final look of the floors. I think it turned out really good. My husband did a really good job of installing the floors. It just brightens up the space, and it just really just takes this laundry room to the next level. So we did end up, like I said, painting our back door black to match the rest of our exterior doors. And then I wanted to kind of add a designer look to this space, so I decided to use this designer wallpaper by Scott Living, which is the Property Brothers. It's called New Wallpaper, and is in the color graphite. I really love it because it's like a textured wallpaper, so it's kind of like a linen texture, and then it has that black and gray and cream, so the same color scheme that I got going throughout the home. I think it just really will elevate this space and give it a really nice high-end clean look. So that's what I'm going to do in this laundry room. I'm going to go ahead and install this wallpaper, and I'm going to share with you all a small clip of how I installed this wallpaper. And to apply this wallpaper, only tools you will need is like an X-Acto knife, and that's just to cut the corners and cut around the baseboard and to cut around the ceiling. But that's really all the tools you need. They do have a little device that you can buy from the Lowe's where you can, it's like a little, it looks like a flat scraper or a flat spatula kind of thingy that you can use to smooth out the wallpaper with. So I didn't pick that up, so you'll see me later on in this video just using the edge of a book just to kind of make sure I get the bubbles out. So you can really use anything that's flat, that has like a flat surface, to smooth out those bubbles and things like that.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away I saw my much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second. On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look, and I love how everything has turned out. I think the wallpaper really elevates the space, and then it just kind of gives it a nice designer look on a budget. So this is something that you can apply to if you're renting, if you're living in an apartment. This is something you can definitely do inside your space. If you want to add a pop of texture or add like a nice accent wall, I would definitely recommend using some nice designer wallpaper. Now I did leave some of the wall exposed, which is the wall behind me, which contains the door, and then that little bitty small wall that's to the right of me. So yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add some minimal decor. So I end up picking up these little signs, I think about 6 months ago, from the At Home store, and I love it because it was the first time I seen kind of like a modern style of those signs, and it doesn't look all cheesy looking, but it looks very modern and clean. So I like this. So it just says wash, dry, and fold, and I think it was under $20 for the set of 3. Now I did go ahead and add this artwork that I had in my dining room. I added this to the laundry room. It has that black and white detail in there. I thought it would fit really nice in the space. Now over here, I like to use my vertical space because I need to have somewhere to hang my clothing when I take it out of the dryer. So I got this little, I don't even know where I got this hanger hook from. I had it for so many years now, but it does fold up when you're not using it. And then you can hang like at least 5 shirts or something like that on it. So I love that. And then the lint bin I picked up from Amazon. I'll have that link in my Amazon store. Now, all of my cleaning products and extra toiletries and paper towel and all that stuff I usually store in these cabinets. So I just have my paper towel and tissue at the bottom, and then at the top I have all of my cleaning supplies and everything that I use on a daily basis. Then in the other cabinet over here, I just have some extra hand soaps, and I have all of my attachments to my vacuum cleaner, my steamer, and that large basket. The top basket, I have all of my cleaning cloths, and then the other 2 small baskets, I just have my extra mop pads in there and the stuff that I use to clean the floor in there, and then extra toothpaste and things like that in there. Then I did go ahead and add this rug. I picked up this rug from Home Goods a while ago. It's by Christian Serrano. I think it's really good quality, and it has the color scheme that I'm going for in my counters. I like to keep everything clutter-free on my counter because I do like to fold my clothes up and everything on here. So the only thing I have on the counter I have my my laundry pods, and then I have my scent beads. And then I also just added this little floral arrangement. That vase I got from Home Goods. I love it because it has that oblong shape. So I was able to sit it on that little shelf that I got behind the counter. And then I had added those florals from, I think I got those from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And then these apothecary jars, that larger one was $19.99, and then the smaller one was $14.99, and then I got those from Home Goods. Using clear jars like this is a perfect way to organize your laundry room or any space because it's clear, you can see what's in it, and then also they look really nice and cute in your space. And then over here I just have a little tray with some washcloths, and then I just have my linen spray out on the tray because I use it multiple times a day. So I just have that sitting here on my counter. And then that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and share my video as well. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.